Hey guys, what's up? This is Dragonfire here, coming to you with another unboxing, or as you would say, a packaging. So stay tuned and see what I got here. Hey guys, okay, this is the unboxing of this package from, looks like it would be Meeker, M-E-K-E-R, and let's pop this open here. Okay, it's a little heavy. Oh, okay. We got you the package content there. And we got the shipping stuff there. And oh, fire color changing packages. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it says right here, keep away from children, avoid breathing in dust, do not taste or swallow, store in a cool, dry area. That's what I'm reading right here, guys. All right. There's 12 little packets in this, looks like. Nice colorful packaging here, which is not bad. It says right here up on this side, it says simple and easy to use. Each box contains 12 high Olay type packages. These fire coloring packets simple and safe to use. All you need to do is to throw in 1 to 3 unopened pouches. So it's pretty much not that bad. So let's actually go on and see what's inside here. Oh, we got little individual packets here. It looks like 12 of them here. That's what it says on the box. So let's get one of them here. And yeah. So the packages are like oh, okay. It has a feel of a dust type stuff into it. And it says do not, okay, it's just pretty much the same thing. So pretty much you just pretty much throw this into the fire and it catches on fire, and I think these little particles that's in this, like little dust particles, catch on fire and they make the fire change different colors. So wow. And of course it's Meeker, M-E-K-E-R. I will leave a link in the description if you want to get a couple of these to try out. And if you like it, just keep using the link and support me. And yeah, like I said, the link will be in the description. And this is Dragonfire coming to you with another unboxing from Meeker Fire Coloring Changing Packets. So there you go. There you have it, guys. That's what comes in the box. 12 of these. And you get 1 box per order. It's not bad. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to purchase this. It's not bad looking. Well, guys, there's a good unboxing there. If you like what you see, the link will be in the description. Give me a subscribe and hit that like button. This is Dragonfire bringing to you Meeker color changing fire packets. Signing out.